Multi-compartment laptop backpack equipped with one large packing compartment, separate laptop compartment, tablet holder, and front pocket organizer. Fits most 17-inch laptops. Separate padded laptop compartment with zippered side entry for easy access and velcro strap to keep laptop in place. Built-in padded tablet holder next to the laptop compartment for easy storage. Fits iPad Air 2, iPad Mini 4, Samsung Galaxy Tab S2, Google Nexus 9, Amazon Fire HDX, and other tablets up to 12 inches. Padded shoulder straps and back padding offer extra back support and comfort. Top loop handle for a secure hold when picking up or moving the backpack. Internal cell phone pouch with headphone port, water bottle pouches, removable keyring. Capacity: 1,626 cubic inches, 26.6 liters. Top reviews from the United States. Spacious and durable. I have had this backpack for just shy of 6 years. In that time frame I have used it daily for work. I have used it during travel including international flights. To say this bag has been well used would be an understatement. It has held up perfectly throughout everything. No broken seams or zippers and no torn linings. The only thing wrong with it is a small burn from a 4th of July party. I am sitting here searching for another backpack and I keep coming back to just purchasing a second one of these. The only thing holding me back was I paid less than $40 for it originally. Now they want almost $100. It is worth it, but still a greedy bummer in my opinion. 5-star backpack, will buy again.